What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're here once again in the garage and we have another vehicle to work on. So I'm going to show you what we have. It's a 2022 Atlas. So it's a Volkswagen Atlas, brand new car for them. I think they came out of a parking lot and found their car like this. So you can see it's in there pretty good over the body line. And it's a little high underneath here too, so that's going to be a little difficult. It's really doubled up there. We're going to attack this again going through the tail light. So we'll take that tail light out and I'll probably throw some glue on there, get that deepness out, and then start pushing it, but we'll see how it all starts going. So why don't we get going on this and see how this thing turns out. Okay, we've been going on this for a little while now. It's a little difficult than I thought. We've been working on it maybe a little more than an hour and a half or so. I thought a lot of it would just pop out and I could get in there and start working it and, you know, that was that. But I'll show you what we got going on. So when I started working it, it's kind of low up all the way into the gas tank here, which I didn't notice, and that's kind of holding down that whole area. So from that gas tank all the way down to the bottom here, it was kind of kinked in and it's all ripply. So it's like up and down, up and down. And I was trying to work it just back through the taillight area here, but I can't really get all the angles that I want. So I took down that liner and I'm going up through the wheel well there. That way I could get like a different angle on it and work it a different way, you know, because all the creases are running different ways and it's high and low and it's just really hard to see. So this one's a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. But we should get it good. You can see the body line's almost back to the way it was there. And then we just got to fine tune those low spots. There's a little deep spot there that we'll mess with next, and we'll keep going on it, and we'll show you the final results when we're done. All right, it came out perfect. The dent is done. As you saw in the video, I did the before and afters in there, and it came out really nice. It, you know, it looks really good. I'm really pleased with it. I'll show you the results here, but it was a tough one. Like I said, that one was really tough, a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be. Just because it was really tight down in the bottom there, and then up top, when it went into that gas tank, it's, you know, it was kind of close to that too. So it was really tough to work, but we just kept hitting it at 2 different angles, getting those low spots, like I said, fine tuning it and doing what we can. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you can, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos and we'll catch you next time.